Hey traders, John Hell here. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about one of the most important trading techniques you can ever apply to your trading. Let's go straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making a profit in the markets. And this video is just to educate you and not to give you financial advice. Grab your free trading course right now. 100% free 12-hour X Factor trading course. You're going to learn things like top 13 deadly mistakes, 10K per month plan, amazing charting boundaries techniques, #1 chart reading technique, powerful reversal techniques, ultimate trading system, blast off trading system, #1 trading indicator, millionaire trader mindset, so much more. 12-hour trading course. Click the link in the description right now to get free membership access right now. All right, traders. So over my 13 years of trading career right now, and I'm sure I'm definitely not the most successful trader by far on the planet. But one thing that comes to me time and time again from coaching people, but also coaching my damn self. And obviously that's the most hardest thing, right? Is coaching yourself. So looking at that and looking at the way that the markets are, one of the most important trading techniques, I would say the most important trading technique that you can ever apply is wait for confirmation of your trading system. All right, wait for confirmation of your trading system. If you are trading a trading system and you say, okay, well, it's likely to do this, so I'm going to get into this. No, that's the wrong setup. What you need to do is you need to get into a stock, or you need to get into a trade that has confirmation that the trade setup is here, right? You don't ever say, okay, well, I'm going to get in early because this is what's going to happen. Have you guys ever done that before? Have you ever done that before? I know I have. Have you ever done that? Have you ever been in a situation where you're like, oh, I know this is going to happen, and you get in early before the confirmation, and then guess what happens? It actually turns against you, right? You're like, oh man, I knew I should have got in that thing as I got in too early. I didn't wait for confirmation. And that's one of the biggest things from like with my setup that I trade. As you can see here by looking at this is one of the recent trades that I just did. And as you can see, it's like for me, I always wait for that confirmation. One of my confirmations, I want to see the breakout candle. All right, just a very, I'm not going to talk about the system in detail, but the breakout candle is right there. All right, so that there was the confirmation for me, and then I wrote it for a couple of days moving forward in that. This is obviously, again, this is a recent trade of mine, but you always wait for confirmation. I didn't get into here saying, well, I know this is going to pop to the high side. I know it's going to go up. It's in an uptrend trend, blah, blah, blah. That's all story and garbage. And if you ever try to get into a trade with story and garbage, you know you're likely to get smacked around in the face. So one of the most important, or the most important trading technique that you'll ever apply is the importance of waiting for confirmation and not getting in on hope or think or all that sort of stuff. The most important thing you can do when trading is getting in on confirmation on your trade. Please, if you just wait for your confirmation and don't ever get into hope or pray or anything like that, you're likely to do so much better with your trading this year. So wait for confirmation. Make sure you grab the free trading course. Also, make sure you check out my brand new book, The Flow of Success. Tap into the 19 powerful universal laws to succeed in every area in your life faster and easier than ever imagined. Make sure you check out the Facebook page. And also, if you need my help personally and urgently, you can book a 1-hour coaching call with me to help you to get on the track with your trading or anything in life that you need. So all the links are in the description, so go check out that right now.